It's Yolanda here. I would like to share a worship song with you all that we sing at our ministry, Prevailing Faith Bible Church, where our awesome pastors are Pastors Charles and Patsy Brown. Well, in our ministry, we've been on a journey of learning how to go deeper into the things of God. And so in our worship services, because our hearts are turned toward God and we're worshiping with our whole heart, we have experienced some amazing and miraculous services that have really taken us deeper into the presence of God. And so really wanted to share this song with you guys. I do not own the rights to it, but because I live with an amazing producer, my son, Jalen, aka Nalaj, he was kind enough to record the vocals for me. So let's get with it. Psalms 95 says, "Come, let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker." So come on, let's worship the Lord together.
Let your glory fill this place. Let your all-consuming fire fill this tabernacle and purify our hearts. Surround us in this place and breathe new life within us. Send a refreshing, Lord, and saturate our hearts.